Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can add the RSI on NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your NinjaTrader software. Then go to this icon right here. You will see that it's indicator. Click on it. Then on available, search for RSI. Okay, so this one, click on it 2 times. Then, as you can see here, you can change some settings if you want. Okay, change anything you want here. You can change also the colors. Then after that, click on apply. And as you can see, this is our RSI. If you don't like anything, just you can change it from these settings. And if you are happy with that, just click on OK. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.